This is an interesting topic before all the aspirants. Ki what is the magic bullet to clear the APSC exam or OPSC exam for that matter? So there are a couple of things. I will try to clarify them. Okay, from my experience and from looking at other aspirants and successful candidates. So I figured out certain things that I am going to share with you. So bear with me. See, there are three things. If you are a civil service aspirant, you have been a decent student in your life. ऐसा नहीं कि बर्बाद बच्चे थे, थोड़ी बहुत ठीक ठाक करते थे स्कूल और कॉलेज डेज में. Used to do well, okay. So that means talent is inherent in you. Some degree of talent is there. This is the truth about all civil service aspirants. That is the truth. And if you look at the hard work, so talent important? Yes, talent is important, no doubt about that. Next question comes hard work. Why hard work is important? Because we have say mains में 7 पेपर है. Think about it. Optional 2 पेपर, 4 पेपर GS का, and so much of you are reading almost everything. History, geography, science, polity, environment, economy, बहुत सारी चीज़ पढ़ रहे हो. So hard work is necessary. Is smart work important? Yes. We are living in the age of information अच्छा है, but we are living in the age of misinformation as well. So we are living, this era is known as the post-truth era. That means too much of information is good for nothing. So how to know कि which information is correct? We have been seeing lot of toppers video, ये video, all video. See, I want to tell you everything. Tell you one thing, that look at the videos that given by all the toppers. That's fine, but civil service is not a competition with the others. It is a competition within. If you are able to do well, if you are able to understand the topics well, if you are able to write good answers, legible, beautiful answers, aesthetically pleasing answers, then you will get it. That is the simplest mantra of getting into civil service. If you are thinking about ki this person wrote that person wrote that, if you are thinking about competition, then you are out of the competition. That is the truth about civil service aspirants. And most importantly, it is difficult because it demands something, some kind of change from all of us. So when you understand your weakness, your vulnerabilities, your which particular part you are not doing well, that you have to find out. किसी टॉपर ने कह दिया कि मुझे लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं था. मे बी ही वॉज ए गुड टॉपर हु डिडंट हैव टू राइट द थिंग्स, और ही वॉज प्रेटी कॉन्फिडेंट कि आई कैन राइट ए वेरी गुड आंसर, एंड ही वॉज गुड विथ क्रिएटिव राइटिंग, जो सब में नहीं होता है. सो डोंट टेक एनीबडीज एडवाइस और लिसन टू एवरीवन एंड कस्टमाइज अकॉर्डिंग टू इट. सो फर्स्ट थिंग इज नोइंग योर सेल्फ. सेल्फ अवेयरनेस इज द beginning of all wisdom. So when you know ki what are your weakness, then you will able to know ki what you have to work on. Okay, and always take the criticism as a constructive criticism. Okay, so whoever is telling you the harsh things, they are the ones who are actually trying to help you. Okay, so let's move on. Is talent important? Yes, talent is important, but is only talent important? No. We'll discuss that. So if you look at the talent, ये जो rabbit और tortoise का story, I'll tell that. Okay, in rabbit and tortoise का story में क्या है? Rabbit was a fast runner, but he didn't have consistency. So we'll get back to that story. Moving on, is hard work important? Yes, because you have a lot of things to cover. So hard work is important. You have to get beyond of your comfort zone, because it is a job that demands to push yourself beyond the comfort zone. Comfort zone में तो कोई भी job ले लोगे आप, then it might look good for say next 2 years or 3 years or 5 years, but then you'll start questioning those things. So yes, you have to push beyond your comfort zone. That is a necessity. Moving on, is smart work important? Yes, smart work in the sense, what smart work is identifying what is the right thing for you. That is what is smart work. And if you look at the number of things, number of materials, we are, as I told you, we are living in an era where a lot of information is there. So you have to know कि क्या नहीं पढ़ना चाहिए. The day you know what you should not read, आपका 90% of the job is done. Okay, So that is what smart work is necessary. Okay, but are they going to get you a rank? No. Talent, fine, you might have the best of the talent. I have seen people who come from say IIT, IIM background, still they could not clear the civil service exam. That is because, or they get a very bad rank. That is because there was no consistency. टैलेंट है, ईगो पे ले जाते हैं. इफ़ दे फेल से इन फर्स्ट और सेकंड अटेम्प्ट, ईगो पे ले जाते हैं और निकल जाते हैं कंपटीशन से. सो टैलेंट इज ओके फाइन, बट टैलेंट यू विल नॉट गेट यू ए रैंक. सेकंड, हार्ड वर्क इज नेसेसरी, बट हार्ड वर्क ऑल्सो इफ हफ्ते में से इन ए मंथ और से इन ए वीक यू आर जस्ट डूइंग हार्ड वर्क से 2 or 3 days, it's not going to work. Smart work is necessary, but then again you just know what you should not read and what you should read, and how to manage your time, etc. That is the smart management of syllabus, your time, and your all social engagements. That's fine, but one thing that you should not miss is there is consistency. Why? Because this is the day in day out job. That means हर दिन कुछ ना कुछ you have to keep on adding, and don't be harsh on yourself. I know students who put a harsh target कि डेली में इतना ख़त्म करूँगा, ऐसा नहीं, ठीक है. So don't do that. Okay, don't be harsh on yourself. Try to finish, but try to do these things every day. You might read say newspaper say day 5 days, then you leave it. If you do that, so it's like every day if you are able to do this or repeat this consistently, then only you will get to the top. That is the most important aspect. Talent will not work, hard work, smart work doesn't matter if there is no consistency. I'll tell you the 2 stories of consistency I want you to know. One is the forest man of India. He had a simple philosophy. We all know that what he has created, Jadav Payeng. Okay, so he is from Assam, and if you look at his life and everything, he for the past 40 years did only one thing, but one thing consistently. That is, he planted a tree every day for 40 years, and he could create more than 500 hectares of forest. Think about the magnitude of it. A single man creating such a vast forest. Think about that. And while doing so, he lost, जैसे जंगल बन गया, then tigers, other started migrating to this particular patch of jungle, and then his livestock, he lost some livestock to the tigers and etc. वो भी story है, ठीक है. But he was not concerned about कि क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा, will I get recognition, will I get say award, will I get anything? No, simple. His funda is simple, and when you keep your fundamental simple, you will get the happiness, you will get the clarity, and you will get the rank also. That is, it is a day in day out job. Okay, because civil service such a vast entity, so every day you have to work. अगर आपने से एक महीने में 15 दिन छोड़ दिए preparation, and then to get back to that, to recoup that, then it will take another 15 days. So that is the major issue. And we know that Jadav Payeng has saved the Majuli Island. Because of his efforts, this island was sinking. This is the biggest riverine island in Brahmaputra, Assam region, in the whole world actually, and he saved it. Okay. Another story is the mountain man of India, that is Dasarath Manjhi. इनके ऊपर एक मूवी बनाया गया है. You go and watch it. The story is, if I tell you simply, so he used to live in a very remote village जहाँ से roads वगैरह नहीं था. So his wife will die. Now he will take a pledge saying that I will, what happened with me should not happen with anyone else. That is the reason why he will start hammering the mountains day in day out. He will do that for 23 years. Think about it. Okay, 23 years. पहले तो लोग उनको पागल समझेंगे कि ये पागल क्या कर रहा है, ये हथौड़ा लेके trying to cross a mountain. Okay, but then again one day after, पहले एवरीबडी जैसे आप सिविल सर्विस प्रिपरेशन करते हो, कोई आप पे बिलीव नहीं करेगा कि आपका हो जाएगा नहीं हो जाएगा. मोस्टली रिलेटिव्स, फ्रेंड्स, अरे यार पागल आदमी कुछ भी कर रहा है, ऑल दैट. ओके, नोबडी विल बिलीव इन यू. देन व्हेन यू स्टार्ट गेटिंग इनटू प्रीलिम्स, थोड़ा मेंस भी हो गया और इंटरव्यू में चले गए, देन दैट कॉन्फिडेंस ऑन यू विल बिल्ड अप. सो That is how Jasarath Manji, everyone said he is mad. Then again, he cleared some part of the mountain. Then people started, people looked at it and then people started joining him. But he did that for 23 years. He didn't care about criticism. No, he has a simple goal that I will erase this mountain so the villagers can have easy access to the medical. Khadam. Simple story. He wanted a simple outcome. And for the same reason only he is known to us now. So, in your preparation, keep things simple. Keep your sources of knowledge simple. But at the same time, keep it rich as well. Okay. So, this is the story that talent, hard work, smart work will not help you. It is the only consistency that will take you far. So, thank you. And if you have any questions or anything, do reach out to me.